Hey there, I'm over here checking out this beautiful home on Moonlight Bay Drive in Colony Club, a Panama City Beach favorite neighborhood. Let's go check it out. We're over here in this 4-bedroom home over in Colony Club. Check out this spacious kitchen. Plenty of counter space, plenty of cabinetry, stainless steel appliances. We've got a heightened ceiling to make it feel even more spacious. We have a little breakfast nook overlooking the windows on one side to let that sunshine pour in. And then on the other side, we have a dining room area as well. This is open concept, so it flows very nicely into the living space, which has some extra details. Again, crown molding, some tray ceilings, some cutouts, and you have a beautiful sunshine-filled office off of the front living area as well. Let's go check out those bedrooms. One of the things that I like about the layout of this home is it's split, where you have the primary bedroom on one side and then the 3 other bedrooms on one side. You've got a guest bathroom in the front of the home and a guest bathroom towards the end of the home as well. One of the things I love about the bedrooms in this home is A, there's no stairs, it's all on one level, but there's plenty of windows throughout, so lots of sunshine. Again, extra details like tray ceilings and this primary bedroom. As we go into the bathroom, very spacious. We have a garden tub, a nice sized shower, and you have a very generously sized walk-in closet. The back porch, back patio is super dreamy. As you walk out, you've got a nice spacious yard overlooking conservation trails nearby, Gayle's trails. And if you're a bird watcher, there's plenty of that to go around as well. For more details on these beautiful Panama City Beach properties, make sure you click on the link below. There you will find extra fun facts, pictures, and who to contact if you're interested in a property. And there's more. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com.